Hi, I'm Yuri Bachman, and today we're going to be interviewing people about the ocean. The purpose of this experiment is to demonstrate how much people actually don't know about the harm done to our bodies of water and the organisms that reside in them. This can have potentially catastrophic results, as ocean acidity has rapidly increased in the last 20 years due to our ignorance and unwillingness to do anything about it. Have a good day. So the ocean, it covers about 71% of our Earth. It's like a whole other world. And we are harming it with pollution, contamination, and acidification. We are hurting a whole diverse array of mammals and marine organisms. We're out here looking for humans, and it seems that we can't find any. Oh, wait, no. I found one right here. Hey, sir. Hello. Whatever. So, do you know how old the ocean is? It's, like how old? Give me a number. Like
1,000?
1,000
days?
1,000 days. Sir, the Earth is actually about 4.6 billion years old. Do you know how much of the Earth the ocean covers? Like a percentage amount. 90, no. Like not 90%, about like 71. It was way closer than your previous answer. Do you know how many sharks a year are killed by humans? 4 or 5. No. It's like it's kind of like 100 million per year. Yeah, so it's good. It's great. You see, people are ignorant, I suppose. We need a better conclusion. And we're back, ready to interview more people. Oh my god.
Hi.
Hey. You need a. All right. So, I hope you don't mind. We're gonna ask you a couple of questions about the ocean.
I don't mind.
Do you know how climate change affects the many organisms of the ocean?
No, I don't believe climate change is happening. It's a myth.
It's not a myth. You see,
Yes, it is. But go on.
No.
No, please, I'd like to hear.
Hey, so you know how like the weather affects us, right? It kind of affects.
Right, it's raining.
Yeah, so it kind of affects the organisms of the oceans as well. You see, it might range from too cold for a particular organism, and therefore they must migrate to a new place along with a couple other organisms, and therefore it changes the entire environment, and there'd be less prey for other predators, and less predators for other prey, and therefore there might be an excess of that prey, and yeah, so it throws everything off balance, and this kind of happens quite a bit. You know, I'm surprised.
I don't think so. I don't think it happens at all, actually. But you know, that's just my personal beliefs. It's okay. Let's hear the next one.
All right. What are pteropods? Do you know what pteropods are?
I'm guessing some kind of fish.
They're not. They're these little organisms. They kind of
live in the ocean. They live in the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're fish.
Yeah. No. They sort of dwell near the bottom of the ocean. They
So
have
they're
these.
bottom. Okay.
No. They have these shells, right? They have these little shells, and they're kind of a source of food for many organisms in the ocean. And without them, the entire food chain is thrown completely off balance, and the trophic cascade just falls apart. You see? And it's us who have the biggest hand in affecting these organisms. We are rapidly increasing the rate of ocean acidity in the ocean,
Right.
and it's sort of degrading their shells, right? Do you know what ocean acidity is?
Never heard of it.
Okay. It's sort of the product of not just ours, but nature's hand in all this contamination and pollution and just waste in general, which sort of acidifies our beloved oceans, making it very, very, very unsafe for all these marine mammals like whales and fish and just pretty much everything.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, do you mind if I ask you a couple of questions about the ocean?
Oh.
Okay. So, do you know what ocean acidification is? No? Alright, well, it is the decrease of the pH levels in the ocean, and about a third of the carbon dioxide humans release into the atmosphere eventually ends up in our oceans, where it reacts with the water, resulting in the formation of carbonic acids. Yes. And you know how much carbon dioxide the ocean absorbs daily? 20 million metric tons. That's kind of a lot. So one more question, sir, before you go back to your business. So do you understand why this is a big deal? Why we need to act quickly on this? Sure. Okay. There's another thing. Thank you for your time. You could keep doing what you're doing. We need a move.
So overall, do you understand why this is such a big problem and why we need to act quickly on it?
Not even a little bit or remotely at all. No.
Sir, ever think you might be considered ignorant?
No, in fact, I think I'm smarter than most people.
Okay. All right. So this clearly exemplifies what we were trying to. You know what? Actually, we might have to leave.